Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Accessibility Keyboard controls because that's the fastest path to the on-screen keyboard. On Windows, go to Settings, Ease of Access, then Keyboard and toggle the on-screen keyboard. On Mac, open System Preferences, select Keyboard, then enable Show Keyboard and Emoji Viewer in Menu Bar and choose Show Keyboard Viewer. Do this now so you can see the virtual keys. Once visible, you'll adjust behavior and placement in the next steps. Next, configure layout and placement so the keyboard works with your workflow. Resize the window by dragging corners and dock it to the bottom or side of the screen so it doesn't block content. Make sure you select the correct input language and layout. On Windows, use the language bar, and on Mac, use the menu bar viewer. Once done, switch to touch or condensed layouts if available to save space, and test typing in a text field to confirm key response and spacing. To finish, pin the on-screen keyboard for quick access and optionally add it to startup so it appears after login. On Windows, right-click the taskbar icon and pin to taskbar. On Mac, add the keyboard viewer to login items. Learn the keyboard toggle or create a shortcut for instant open. If the keyboard won't appear, restart the accessibility service or the system. Make sure input device drivers are up to date and accessibility permissions are granted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.